Okay, to go Meru camp. Sehemu ambapo a place where you can it is within a TFS. I think it's a reserved area, and also a place where the government own this tree farm. So there are quad bikes which you can rent and ride for a few minutes, maybe 30 minutes, 15 minutes, an hour, and ride them into the forest. So you can see them. Also, it's a very silent place. Yeah, you can see the camp. Very nice. It's a very nice place. I don't know. I'll ask you the price of this tent per day, per night. Meru, USA. And some public toilets, as you can see. Some nice place which you can just go and chill out. This is called the Meru camp. Zipline, cycling, quad bike, waterfall. Sorry, waterfall. Napuru movie theater, pine tree, open lunch, walking stick, booking. You can see there are numbers over there. So yeah, that's it.